Hey guys, it's Dave here from Farmers Farmacy, and on this beautiful Feature Product Friday, we are talking about MS Schippers coating. Now, MS Schippers operates under the high care principles, and one of the 5 pillars of high care is pore-free surfaces. So how do we achieve a pore-free surface in a dairy barn or a hog barn? Well, one of the best ways to do that is with the Schippers coating products. And you can see behind me on the headlock display, the headlock coating display, we've got various different coatings applied to the concrete so you can see the difference. Now this is typically taken to a trade show, but since we can't have any trade shows right now, we wanted to share this video so you can be reminded of the benefits of coating. So the benefits, what are they? Well, you're gonna get easy cleanup with a coated concrete surface. Concrete has lots of pores and it takes on moisture, it takes on dirt, it takes on bacteria, and by coating the surface ahead of time, you're gonna prevent all of that from getting sucked into those pores. So easy cleanup. Then you're gonna have less feed loss. So with a coating surface, the feed loss is going to be cut down significantly. You're going to maintain your concrete surface that much longer. So by coating it, the durability and the longevity of the concrete is going to increase dramatically. You can drive on these coating products, not a problem. It's going to stand up. When you're feeding day after day, you also get residual buildup on a concrete surface. With a coated surface, you're not going to get that. And when you feed on this surface, you're actually going to enjoy seeing the feed remain cooler and fresher longer. And that results in less sorting by the cows. So there's a ton of benefits just for coating the feed alley. Now you can also use this product to coat inside a milk parlor. If you want to preserve the concrete surface in a milk parlor, this is a great product for that. And if you're running a hog barn or a hog operation, coating like the alleyways or any concrete surface that you're going to want to clean up after the hogs are shipped out and leave the barn, this is a great solution. If you're a liquid feed hog farmer, even more important, because as you know, the liquid feed has a high acidity, and when it slops over the feeder onto the concrete, it's going to pit it really quickly. If you coat with coatings from Schippers ahead of time, that concrete is going to last significantly longer. And even if you have a pitted surface now, you can go ahead and apply this coating and enjoy that surface lasting a lot longer than it would if you didn't. So tons of applications, and during the month of June, there is a 10% discount on all Schippers coating products. So components A, B, C, the tools, the rollers, the squeegees, everything that's required to install this product is 10% off. If you're considering a coating project this summer, I encourage you to take the time now, plan out what you need, give us a call at 1-866-527-6229. Our team will be happy to help you pick the items that you need to do your project, book that order, and then take advantage of the 10% off, even if you're not doing your project until July or August. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see how to install the product, Schippers has tons of great videos online. Look those up, check out the links in the description below, and they will tell you how to install it. But for now, happy farming, happy coating, and thanks for watching.